Najah. I want to sing Adele, Rolling in a Deep. And in the end, I'm going to sing a little song by Adele, too. Half of it.
Huh?
Oh, I know a song I want to sing.
Why don't you just sing that one then?
Okay.
I haven't heard you sing that one.
Alright, well, I changed my plans. I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain.
What up?
Hope you like it.
Damn, man, I ain't heard from you in a couple of days.
I'm going to sing 4 a.m.
Okay.
No!
Yeah.
No, I want to sing that too late.
Sorry, sack of Suey Louie. What are you doing?
Come on,
What
Najah.
you do last night?
Okay, here we go.
What's up, man?